Today we're going to walk through the installation of a front lower control arm kit for a 2010 Honda Civic. Begin by unboxing the front lower control arm kit. Inside the package you'll find the lower control arms, the lower ball joints, the front stabilizer end links, and the mounting hardware. Before starting the job, gather the tools you'll need. You'll need a large electric impact wrench, a large torque wrench, a flathead screwdriver, a 22mm wrench, a 21mm wrench, a 16mm wrench, and a 14mm wrench.
And a large short extension bar, a large universal joint,
and 17, 15, 14, and 16mm sockets. You'll also need a pair of needle nose pliers. Start by using the 17mm socket to loosen the right front lug nuts. Safely lift the vehicle from the ground and then remove the lug nuts completely using your impact. You can now remove the wheel. Use a 14mm socket on your impact wrench to remove the stabilizer link nut and take out the connecting rod. Next, use your needle nose pliers to remove the cotter pin from the lower ball joint nut. Make sure you take the cotter pin out completely. Next, using a 22mm wrench, remove the lower ball joint nut. Then, using a 17mm socket, remove the nut securing the lower control arm to the ball joint and remove the whole ball joint assembly. Use a 17mm socket to remove the lower control arm mounting bolt. Then, take your 14mm socket and your swivel and remove the other control arm bolt. With the bolt completely out, you can now remove the lower control arm from the vehicle. Now it's time to install your new lower control arm. Place it into position and then insert it into the stabilizer bar first. Then press it down to align with the mounting points. Insert the control arm mounting bolt and use your 14mm socket to secure it. Torque this bolt to 65 Nm. Next, use your 17mm socket to secure the second mounting bolt and torque that fastener to 100 Nm. Install the new ball joint by inserting it into the control arm side first and then rotating it into place. Install the lower ball joint hardware and use a 17mm socket to secure the control arm to ball joint bolt. Use a 15mm socket to tighten the opposite side. Be sure to torque these bolts to 100 Nm by using your torque wrench. Next, use your 21mm wrench to tighten the bolts securing the ball joint to the steering knuckle. Ensure the cotter pin hole aligns with the notch on the nut, and then insert the cotter pin and bend it using your needle nose pliers. Now grab your new stabilizer link and secure it on both ends with the nuts. Use a 16mm socket to tighten and to add extra leverage with a 16mm wrench if needed. It should look like this when you're all done. Now it's time to reinstall the wheel and tighten the lug nuts. Use your 17mm socket. Now you can safely lower the vehicle and torque the wheel lug nuts to 130 Newton meters using your 17mm socket on your torque wrench.